Okay, exercise 1.4, third sum. Graph the function f of x is equal to x cube and g of x is equal to 3 root x on the same coordinate plane. So we have to use only one graph, okay? And then find f composite g as a graph it on the plane as well. Explain your results. So given that f of x is equal to x cube and g of x is equal to x power 1 by 3. So 3 root x, which means what? I can write 3 root x as x power 1 by 3. So first of all, we have to draw the graph for this one, f of x is equal to x cube. How can we draw? Yeah, just to take instead of f of x, just to take y is equal to x cube. So now put any 3 value for x and you will get y value. Look at that. So f of x is equal to x cube, y is equal to x cube. I just take, if I put x value minus 1, you will get minus 1 whole cube. It will become minus 1 only. If you put 0, you will get y is equal to 0. If you put 1 here, 1 cube, so 1 cube is also 1. So this is our first graph table, okay? So look at that. So minus 1 plus 1. So minus 1 plus 1 is here, okay, here. And then 0 comma 0 is here, and then 1 comma 1 is here. After that we have to draw the curve, okay, not straight line. So don't draw the straight line, we have to draw the curve. So curve இப்படி வரும், okay, so it will be curve, not like this. Yeah, like this, okay, curve. So we just draw the y is equal to x cube graph. After that we have to draw the graph for y is equal to x power 1 by 3, which means given that g of x is equal to 3 root x. 3 root x means what? X power 1 by 3. X power 1 by 3. Okay. So x power 1 by 3, it's we already know that graph, general graph for x is equal to 1 by 3. X power 1 by 3 is, so through the origin, the graph will become like this. This is a x power 1 by 3 graph. Okay. Why? How do we know that x power 1 by 3 graph like this? Because look at the second sum. This is our second sum. For the curve y is equal to x power 1 by 3 given in the figure 1.68. So this is our 1.68 figure, x power 1 by 3 graph. Okay, so I just take x power 1 by 3 graph from here and then draw that. So look at that. Okay, so this is x power 1 by 3 graph. I just drawn x power 1 by 3 graph and x cube graph on the same plane. Okay, same plane. After that, after what is the question? Find f composite g as a graph it on the plane. Find f composite g and then graph it on the plane. F composite g, which means what? F composite g of x. So first of all, we know that f of x is equal to x cube, g of x is equal to x power 1 by 3. So f composite g of x, which is equal to, how can I write f of g of x? We already know that in the 10th standard, okay? So f of g of x. So f of, in the place of g of x, substitute g of x value. What is the value of g of x? X power 1 by 3. Substitute. After that, f of x power 1 by 3, which means in the function f of x, substitute in the place of x power 1 by 3. So f of x value is x cube. So in the place of x, substitute x power 1 by 3. It will become x power 1 by 3 whole power 3. So 3 will cancel. So answer is x. So y is equal to x. Y is equal to x means what? It's a straight line. How can I say that y is equal to x is straight line? Y is equal to x. Put any value, x value 0, 1, 2. So y value become 0, 1, 2. So 0 into 0 here, 1 comma 1 here, and 2 comma 2 is here. So look at that straight line. Correct? So our graph is our first graph y is equal to x cube graph is like this. Correct? And then our y is equal to x power 1 by 3 graph like this. Yeah, you can draw neatly like this. Okay, our y is equal to x. Y is equal to x means straight line only, so we can't draw the curve. So straight line means through the origin. Through the origin, this is a straight line. This is a graph. Okay, so you have to draw very neatly. This is a graph, and so that f of x graph. So the red one is f of x graph. Okay, that blue one is g of x graph. So both are symmetrically about what? About that purple line y is equal to x. This is our answer. So you can draw very neatly, and we know that y is equal to x power 1 by 3 graph from second sum. Okay,